Hi, my name is Kylee Peña, and I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager for Pro Editorial here at Adobe. And we are at IBC 2025 with some incredible updates to Premiere Pro. This is truly a release that's by editors for editors, the result of so much community feedback on the forums, in person at events like this, at community summits we host. We've been listening very closely, and so we're delivering on things that are really impacting core workflows for editors that need to get the job done every single day. So our biggest news is definitely over 90 new effects, transitions, and animations now built inside of Premiere Pro. These are real-time, GPU accelerated, you can stack them up, and there's no red render bars at all. This is powered by our recent acquisition of Film Impact, a beloved name by a lot of our creative professionals, and they are now part of our team. So you can go into Premiere, and if you update to 25.5, which is available right now, you can go and open the dashboard for Film Impact and start dragging and dropping animations. Really cool glitch effects, light leaks, that's my favorite. I used to have a hard drive full of light leaks, and now they're all built into Premiere Pro, and it even makes animating text and graphics so much easier, so you can get really complex all inside of Premiere without having to go to any other apps. In addition to that, we've done a lot of work on making editing more precise, and that includes making waveforms visible and dynamic. So when you're interacting in the timeline, it's super smooth. You see persistent waveforms no matter if you're clicking and dragging, slipping, sliding, rolling, rate stretching. You always will have a visual indication of that waveform that makes editing to the beat and to visuals that much easier. And not only have we been fixing waveform displays, but we've been doing all kinds of under the hood tweaks to make playback much more smooth and faster. We're working toward a goal of every single Premiere Pro user having playback start in under 1/10 of a second. We're getting there. A lot of people are already experiencing that, but that is something you're going to see even more to come in the coming months. And finally, quality of life. Sometimes it's the little things that matter most, so we pay attention to all those little feature requests, and we're bringing those into the product directly from the forum, from the feature requests, from things that people tell us. So things like you can now set your default font for captions and for text. If you don't like Minion Pro for some reason, you don't need it. You can go set that. We fixed, so when you would use in the effect control panel, you'd set it a keyframe at the end and it would jump to the next clip. Super annoying, we fixed that. Keyframing is now more predictable. We've done a lot of little things like that, including advanced filtering in the search panel, so you can really drill down deep, and more keyboard shortcuts, things like that. Everything to just make the editing experience more efficient and a lot more fun. So that's what we have for you in Premiere 25.5 today. You can go and download and start using all of this right now. And if you want to learn more, you can check out the Adobe blog and read about all of these updates and more.